Subscribe, like, comment.
All of it.
We have a big problem. We don't like this wall and what's on it.
No.
And every week, Leah gets fresh flowers.
Yes, I do.
And then she likes to hang them there over the arch lamp. So we need a better way to display these flowers. And we don't like what's on that wall. So
we're gonna hang them on the wall.
we found something on Pinterest.
Insert photos, Julian.
Whoa, wow, this is cool. So that's today's project. The weather's stuck outside anyway, so we're locked in. So it's time to take some measurement, go to the hardware store, and pretend we can do things with our hands. Oh. Here's the game plan. We are at Home Depot. I'm gonna tell you what we need, and you give me the first word that comes to mind.
Okay.
We need some wooden things to make the frame.
Splinters.
We need chicken wire to fill inside the frame so we can put the flowers in. We need whatever we can find to hang the frame, either like a cable or some sturdy hook that we can just hook it on.
Advanced engineering.
That was more than one word.
Advanced.
I think that's it.
Bye. Let's go. Wanderesca.
There's something so manly about coming to the hardware store, you know? Even if you never come here and you don't know how to build anything. It's where we belong.
I even feel manly.
We're looking for the wood to make the frame now. We're in the hobby wood section.
Hobby wood.
Sounds like we're in the right place. It smells really good. It smells like pine. Wow. Is it me in bed in the morning? We have our wood. Look at this.
Boom. Boom. Let's go make a frame.
And we need the chicken wire.
Chicken
wire. Chicken wire acquire. Look at this.
Chicken wire acquired.
Well. We got the good time to pay.
$73.
For the little bit of wood. We got everything but the wood. So now we gotta go somewhere else, find a better deal.
$73 fucking dollars. That's insanity. And they don't even build it for you. It's a beautiful fall day though. Ooh. He's sly. Bye. Making my way downtown. I had a good coffee yesterday. Stopped at Starbucks. Just a Pike Place drip. I don't know who brewed it, but they did it good. Promotion. Boom.
All of you.
Like, what is this? This feels like the future.
We're back home. We got all the tools, so it's the matter of building the frame first. I'm gonna take some measure and get sawing. Well, look who's messed up the volume and it didn't record any audio. All I was saying is the frame was put together and it was time to put the chicken wire on. Yep, I messed up the volume here too. Now it was time to trim off all those excess wire from the edge of the frame. Would you be surprised if I tell you that this clip also didn't record any volume? We were just celebrating that the frame was ready to go and we just had to install the wire so we can hang it. And while Leah was putting in flowers, I would be taking down those ugly ass frames from the wall to make room for this new frame. Done, we did it. The frame is so much bigger than I thought it would be. Look at this. Whoa, gorgeous. Let's hang it on the wall.
Yeah.
Fugamo. Sweet.
I think it's straight.
Yeah.
Let go.
Aw, that's cute. It's gonna get better. We did something.
Yeah. Now time for cleanup.
There's shits everywhere. Hey, Mango. I see you. Hey.
Mango jail.
Yeah, that's nice. I like it. Nice little change up in the apartment. Cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys. It was a first DIY that we did together. Yay!
Ah!
Salut! À la prochaine!
Bye!
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.
All of it.
All of it. Yay!